Once you log in, you'll get a welcome screen like you can see here. It will tell you what status you are in membership. In this case, it's trial, which means you only get 1 day. You only get part access to the app and the meal plans. And then it will say what day number you're on and how many credits you have. Now, all you have to do is let's get started, and it will take you to the meals. And then you can record your health stats, and that's just going to help you. Usually do this daily or weekly. You don't have to do it every day, but do it weekly, and that way you get a track of how well you're doing during your meal plan. And then once you're finished, you click on save. You get a health report at the bottom, just and then you move on and you just go to through each one. Breakfast first. There we go. Watch the video, or you can just take the ingredients down on the previous screen and follow the instructions. I find following the instructions is easy for me. After that, you move on to lunch. There you go. Yeah, there you go. And then once you finish lunch, you close that down, and then you move on to dinner. So it's very simple, very simple. Nothing difficult here. Like I said, you can watch the video if you've got time or if you want to know how it's done, but otherwise you can just follow the instructions.